In this video, I'm going to show you my favorite Milwaukee tools for an auto mechanic. Milwaukee's been coming out with a lot of automotive tools recently. A lot of the tools in this video are brand new. That's because I have two of them and I'm using the brand new ones for the video. Okay, this is my number one tool. It's the 1/2-inch drive high torque impact. I think it puts out 1,600 foot-pounds of torque. The part number is 2967-22. This is the third generation one. And with Milwaukee part numbers, if it says -20 after, it means that it's a bare tool. If it says -21, it means it has one battery and a charger. And if it says -22, it comes with two batteries and a charger. And this is what it comes with. Comes with two 5-amp-hour batteries and the tool and the charger. And it's got the new tool has LED lights on the front of it. And this, if I could only have one Milwaukee tool, this would be the tool I would buy for sure. I couldn't live without this. Yeah, another great tool to have is the Milwaukee Stubby Impact. This is the second generation one. It puts out 550 foot-pounds of torque. And the model number is 2562-22. Yeah, and this is what it comes with. A 5-amp-hour battery, a 2.5-amp-hour battery, the charger, and the tool. And this is the new model one. It has the 3 LEDs on the front. And I bought the 3/8 drive version. They also have a 1/2-inch drive version. I just don't need it. Yeah, next up we have the 1/2-inch or the 3/8 drive right angle impact. They also make this in a 1/2-inch drive version. And I like to use this sometimes when I need to get pulleys off the front of an engine. I can put this down in there. Even with the fan shroud on it, it fits. And the part number is 2564-20. Yeah, next up we have the second generation right angle die grinder. Part number is 3485-22. This one's got more power than the previous version, and they redesigned the trigger and a few other things. And this one also has LED lights on the front, and they made it to where you only need one wrench to change the tools. And it comes with a 2.5-amp-hour battery and a 5-amp-hour battery. And what I use these for is these roll lock attachments. And I normally use a 3-inch one for most everything. But you can buy all kinds of different discs for them. Sanding discs. And there's even a 2-inch one. Yeah, next up we have the 1/2-inch mid-torque impact. And this, I got it on sale at Home Depot. And it's a 2962-21. And it also has the LEDs in the front. It looks really nice. And it came with a 5-amp-hour battery. Yeah, next up we got one of these 1/4-inch drive hex impacts. And it's a 2850-20. And what I like to use this for is like taking inner fender panels off and the covers underneath the car, and you just use one of these adapters to turn it into 1/4-inch drive. They're coming out with a new subcompact impact that's going to be, they're going to make it in 1/4-inch drive and 3/8 drive, and I'm going to buy that in 1/4-inch drive when it comes out. Yeah, next up, if you're an auto mechanic, you should have a drill, and these small drills have a lot of power. And Home Depot usually has them on sale. Yeah, next up we got a flashlight. Yeah, every auto mechanic should have a flashlight. Yeah, and these are their new M18 6.0 Forge batteries. They're supposed to have a lot longer run time. I haven't had a chance to try them out yet. Yeah, and most of these tools I can get through the whole entire day with just one battery, except when I'm using a grinder. Yeah, and this is their 98-piece 3/8 drive 6 and 12 point pack out set, ratchet set, and the part number is 48-22-292-85. And these are really nice sets. And if you're a regular, you have a big toolbox, you can take these trays out and put them in your toolbox. And all these trays are marked what socket goes where. And every one of these sockets is also square on the top where you can put a wrench on it. So if you don't have enough room to get in there with a ratchet, you can do that. And the ratchets are really nice. They're 90 teeth. They're real smooth and have very little resistance. And these cases fit together, so like if you're going to put them on a cart and roll them out on a job site, you can latch all the cases together. And this one's their 1/4 and 3/8 drive pack out ratchet set. It's 48-22-9486. It's 106 pieces. This one's 6-point only, but it's SAE and metric, and the other one was SAE and metric too. And Milwaukee's also coming out with a brand new jump start box that runs on M18 batteries. I'll be getting that when it comes out, and it comes out in August. Yeah, I will also make a video on Milwaukee's tools that I use for doing welding and fabrication.